Howdy there, folks. I want to show you a little Wall Street manipulation 101 here in regards to the market. It was interesting. What kind of led me down this rabbit hole, before I went to the gym, I was actually, sometimes I go to the gym very late night, but I looked at my portfolio before I went to the gym. And it was fascinating to me because I saw the public count was up like $5,000 today. And I was like, that's strange. I hadn't really looked at how the market was doing for pretty much the last hour. But nonetheless, I'd watched Jerome Powell. He spoke. I didn't think he said anything that crazy, but some people took it as bearish. And they were sending the market down, right? And so I thought for sure it was going to be a red day. Not like a huge red day, but maybe down $10,000 to $20,000 in the public count. So being up $5,000 today, I was like, that's weird. Very, very strange. So I was like, let me look at the market action today. What happened here at the end? And let me explain what transpired. So looking at the Russell here, magically, a massive recovery right before the close of the market. If we go ahead and look at the Dow 30, same exact situation, a massive rally right before the market closed. When I say right before the market closed, I'm literally talking about like the last hour of trading. It just went up like a rocket ship. The Nasdaq, same exact situation here. Was there any massively great news right before market close today? No, there was nothing. Nothing. And the market, if anything, was disappointed by Jerome Powell's comments. I don't know if they wanted him to commit to another 50 basis point cut or what. But we go ahead and take a peek here and check out Apple. Look at that move in Apple. Tell me that's not fishy. Straight up, you got to be flipping my flapjacks. Within the last few minutes of trading, just up like a rocket ship. Literally, the stock goes from 231 to about 233. $2 a share jumps. I mean, that's tens of billions of dollars of market cap. Apple moves there in a matter of minutes. Okay, interesting, right? We see Shopify had a nice rally into the close. Google, but you notice something? The bigger the company, the more extreme the move was right into market close here. Look at Meta, boom, rally there. Microsoft, massive market cap, just like Apple. We know those are the two biggest of the big dogs, right? And both of them up like a rocket ship right before the market closes. Those are the biggest weights in the market, right? So what happened here? What's the manipulation? What was Wall Street up to, right? And it's clear as day. Once again, it's basically every stock, but the bigger the market cap, the more extreme the move was here by good old Wall Street, right? Amazon's a little guy compared to actually Microsoft and Apple. So what ended up transpiring here is essentially it's the end. Today was the last day of trading for September, but more importantly, it was the last day of trading for the third quarter of the year. Now, third quarter of the year has been pretty decent for a lot of stocks out there, and it is bonus time for the fund managers. Now, the more these stocks go up, right before bonus time comes, the bigger the bonus check's going to be. So if anything, Wall Street's very incentivized to have the market rally here to finish very, very strong. And the reason being is it means a bigger bonus check for them. So I do not think it is coincidence that within the last 30 minutes, if not the last really 10 to 15 minutes of the market being open, suddenly these big, huge market caps go to the moon right before the market closes, right? That's manipulation 101 there, right? And there's many various ways on how they could have something like that transpire, but they got it down to a T. And so always keep in mind, Wall Street will play these sorts of games, and it's very entertaining. I'll say that. It is very entertaining to see this. Now, you as a long-term investor, does this mean anything to you? No. It's entertainment. That's the way I look at it. Something like this, seeing something like this, it's very entertaining. Do I care about it at all as a long-term investor? No. I know what they're up to here. I know the games they're playing, right? And let's get those indexes up right before the close. Let's get those big dogs up. It is what it is, right? And then they could sell it right back off tomorrow, right into the open. And why? Well, it's not the end of the quarter anymore. It's not bonus time anymore. We got a full quarter to play out now. We got October, November, and December. So no bonus checks are being cut tomorrow, right? We're in the new quarter at that point in time. It was about getting that market up right before close today. So even though the market actually didn't like Jerome Powell's comments, Wall Street said, to hell with that. I don't care if Jerome Powell said they're going to start raising rates. We're sending this market higher. It would have taken a miracle of life to get that market to have gone lower after the Jerome Powell comments and then continue having it go lower. They were like, no, 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 no. We need the bonus money. The bonus money's coming in, baby. So we don't want to mess with all that. So just fascinating, very entertaining to see. And I mean, they make it so obvious, do they not? It's like, how obvious can you make it? How freaking obvious can you make it? Like, come on, man. Like, they could have been a little more subtle and stair-step the baby up throughout the day. But, I mean, my gosh, could they? Oh, they come on. So anyways, very entertaining. All right, guys, got a couple new videos for you out on the main channel. This one I've actually posted on Friday. This one dives into the subject about, a lot of people are talking about market going down in October. So that video dives into if the stock market's going to go down in October, my views on that one there that's on the main channel. Then this one I released yesterday, 5 stocks to buy now. That's my October 2024 edition there. Definitely enjoy that. And then this video actually is a little bit more of just a talking video more than a market video, a little bit more business related. Speaking about obviously a loss of a 750K, how we turn it around, those sorts of things. And so that one's more of a business entrepreneurship type story. But this one more focuses on the market. This one focuses more on stocks. This one focuses more on, we can call it like entrepreneurship, a little bit business tips, and maybe a little inspiration in there as well. So, alrighty guys, appreciate you joining me as always. Much love. Just wanted to record just a little quickie. Got done from the gym. I'm going to go hop in the shower. Much love and peace.